Hello Dnation and welcome back to a Classic Unbox and Review episode. Well, today we're going to be unboxing the 2017 Vespa GTS 300, and this is a 1/18 scale licensed Vespa diecast replica scooter manufactured by Maisto. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. Welcome to Dnations New Year Special. Before we begin today's episode, I want to take a few moments to let you know that I'll be giving away one more premium 1/18 scale Harley Davidson Replica for this week. So stay tuned till the end of this video to find out how you could also get one. So moving on with today's episode, the packaging on this one is a Vespa affiliated window type boxing manufactured by Maisto with all the product branding and information. So let's go ahead and take a look at this premium boxing before we crack this thing open. And with that out of the way, and as we get this unboxed, please be careful while using sharp objects and keep in mind to keep these diecast motorcycles away from children below the age of 5, as the tiny parts can be hazardous. So keeping this in mind, let's get this opened. To begin with, this model is a licensed diecast classic scooter replica of the Vespa GTS 300 2017 model, which is a scooter type motorcycle. And this is a premium and well detailed motorcycle replica and has a good build quality to it and also quite a bit of intricate details to it as well. And this model is manufactured mostly of diecast and a few components with ABS plastic, which makes it premium looking. This premium model measures in at 4.8 inches in length, 3 inches in height, 1.8 inches in width and weighs in at about 100 grams. This model also comes with spot-on paint tabs and branding details and has free rolling wheels, excellent suspension, a kickstand and a lot more details, which makes it a premium collectible. And with this licensed model, you're guaranteed a replica which is built to last and will warm the hearts of any diecast motorcycle collector or hobbyist. So now let's take a closer look at the amazing bodywork and exteriors of this premium diecast scooter. Well, I'm really amazed with the attention to detail on this Vespa GTS 300, and I love the paint job and the details on this variant. And this diecast replica gets a massive thumbs up for the exterior. So now let's place this diecast beauty on the Dnation dyno and check out its wheel spin and its functionality. And kindly find further features and specifications regarding this premium diecast scooter in the description below. Well, everything seems to be spot on and up to my expectations with this premium diecast model. And so with that being said, let's place this elegant diecast scooter on the Dnation turntable and take a look at this beauty in a 360-degree view. And here are a few fun facts. Vespa is an Italian brand of scooter manufactured by Piaggio. The name means wasp in Italian. Vespa is evolved from a single model motor scooter manufactured in 1946 by Piaggio and Company of Pontedera, Italy, to a full line of scooters and one of 7 companies today owned by Piaggio. From their inception, Vespa scooters have been known for their painted, pressed steel unibodies, which combines in a unified structural unit, a complete cowling of the engine enclosing the engine mechanism and concealing dirt or grease, a flat footboard providing foot protection, and a prominent front fairing. There has been 34 different variations of the Vespa. Today 5 series are in production, which is the classic manual transmission PX and the modern CVT transmission. And for further information on Vespa, kindly check the link in the description below. And if you want to get yourself this 1/18 scale diecast Vespa, I dropped the Best Buy link in the description below. So go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested. And be it the holiday season, I'll be giving away a 1/18 scale premium Harley Davidson motorcycle this week as well. And all you've got to do to get one of these amazing replicas is to subscribe to Dnation, like and share this video, and follow our official Instagram links in the description below. So hurry and get your Harley now. And I want to take this opportunity to thank all my Dnation subscribers and followers for your constant support and feedback, and none of this would be possible without you. Kindly continue to support Dnation and help us grow by liking and sharing our content, and kindly subscribe if you haven't already, and stay tuned for a lot more fun and unique episodes coming up. And this brings us to the end of this amazing unbox and review episode, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a massive thumbs up and share it, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button if this is your first time here. And also don't forget to click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. And if you care to share your views and thoughts on this episode, please do drop your comments below, and stay tuned for a lot more exciting episodes coming up. Well, thank you for watching, take care, and I'll see you on the next one.